In a previous class, we have discussed how we are going to create a form navigations. One is by button, another one is by coding, and third one is by a macro. These three techniques we have discussed. Today we are going to search inside a form. How we are going to search in a form? One is search with a control F, like this technique. Another one way is that I'm going to do searching like, first of all, look over here. I'm going to create one form for employees table. If you're going to see here, we have employees table or not. Check it out, open it, sorry, edit. I have edited the column name, employee name. It should be without space. The column name of employees table, go to the open or design, the field which I am going to tell you here, registration number, okay, employee name without space, okay, because we are going to search on employee name. Done. Right now go over, create a form of this table, create a form of this table. How you going to create this? With multiple item, while I'm going to click on that, so you can see that multiple item form has been created. What I'm going to do next one, go to the design of this form. I'm going to rearrange, means some columns which are bigger or smaller, so I'm going to arrange them. ID, registration, and here employee name, it is quite big. Department ID, no need of that. Address or status, full-time, hourly, or these things is going to come inside it. Hiring date, on which date the employee get job, and year of experience, how many years you have done work, so that is a year of experience. I remove the first text. And salary, okay, decrease this one also. So right now if you're going to see here, this data which is going to be shown in one area. Next one, I want to decrease this one, the text box height, so decrease like that. Done. One thing more, decrease this one. Done. Okay, right now just save that by the name of employees table, control W, save changes. Done. Employees table. Okay, so this is employees form has been saved. If you're going to check it out, there is a form by name of employees here, queries, forms, and employees form is there or not? Okay, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to search in an employees form, search in a employee form. So next thing, what are you going to do? Go over, create one form by design, and in this form, what should I need? Two things. One is a text box, and a button here, this one. Okay, I need a text box, and in a text box you're going to enter name of the employee. Okay, so what? Enter employee name, and what's name, what this text box name is, text 0. Okay, enter employee name, this thing, enter that. Right now the space between them I'm going to increase, because enter employee name. Down I'm going to create two buttons. One is search, okay, and click on the cancel. Right now delete this text and write here search by emp name or by employee name, and the button should be increased, because, or if you're going to make it big button, okay. And next one is exit button. I'm going to create clear or form operation here, close form. Okay, click on next. You need close form. I have click on another one, click on form close. Yes, I need a text, close form. Click on next and finish. Right now next thing is, what are we going to do? Right now what we're going to do, we're going to write coding inside it. Just okay, at the top I need a label, and the label is this one. This is a text box, this is a label here. Search employee by name, okay, by full name. This one, increase its text size, clicking on that, go to the home tab, and I need the font size is going to be increased to the 16, 18, 20, and slightly move it to this corner so that all the text is going to be shown, and bold I need. This one done. Next one, this text box is slightly bigger, so no, this movement I need that its size is going to be slightly decreased, done, and it should be slightly to the left side. Okay. Next one, we are going to write a coding in this button. While it will do the searching in a form, you're going to enter employee name, okay, and while you click on that, it will search by name. In which form? Employees, okay. So just like if I'm going to write Kamran here, so if I'm going to click on this button, it will search on that, but right now not going, okay. So what are we going to do? Close this, no, sorry, here, and this one, close form, it will work, okay. So right now design, okay, click on this button, right click, go code builder or build event, and we're going to do by code builder. First one, this button is command 2. Inside that, which text box is there? Text box. Remember the text box. While you are doing a coding, this text box name is what? Text 0. Okay, or you can give text name or txt name. Okay, so it depends upon your. I'm going to write txt name, so that easy for coding. Txt name, this is the name of this text box. Next one, go inside it, go over to the build event. Right now I'm going to write the code for that. First of all, you're going to declare two variables, one for a table name, another one that for searching. One for table name, another one for searching. So I'm going to write dim here, tb as string, that which table is going to be searched. Another one, dim here, search or se, okay, se means search, as string. Right now this coding has been written. Next one, what table is tb is equal to which form you're going to search. Basically this is a form, not a table, okay. I'm going to write fr so that you understand that fr, okay. Any variable you can use, a, b or c, because it's a variable, and I'm going to write fr form is equal to which form? Employees. This form we have created. Next one step is you're going to do search. Se is equal to where you're doing searching in a column name. In which column name? That is the employee's name. In a form, first of all, column name, employee name is equal to single quotation, okay, sorry, double quotation you're going to put over here. Next one, comma and sign, double quotation, single quotation, double quotation, and where the text is, text box name is txt name or not? Txt name and sign, double quotation, single quotation, double quotation, and enter that. Right now we are going to check it out, it's working or not. Here, next one, if it is correct, so what it will do, it will do cmd dot open form. Which form is going to be open? And that is which argument? First one, form name is fr, comma, 3 commas, where condition kudamas se, okay, condition is se. Enter that, check it out, it's working or not. I'm going to search right now. Okay, close this one, and any name which is there, let's work through. Okay, any name, I'm going to go to the date table or go to the form, and I'm going to search one name, last one, Masood or Kamran, Khan, Ali space Khan. Ali space Khan is also there or not? Control W. Ali space Khan. F5. Right here, Ali space KHN Khan, and search employee. So Ali Khan has been found out or not? Control W. Right now. Here. Again, I'm going to write something here, which is not. I'm going to write forward. FAWD forward. Search. Not there, so it will nothing will show. Okay. Forward is not inside the table. But if I'm going to write Kamran, so Kamran is also not there. Masood, yes, Masood is there. Right now you can do same search by registration number. Same thing by what? By registration number. How I'm going to do that? Here I'm going to do here, go to the save this one, so that control W, this will be here search by coding. Okay, search by coding. Right now another one, go to the design view, and here, sorry, control W, search by coding, right click, design view. One more I'm going to create here, enter employee name, yeah, drag it down, and I'm going to create one more, search by name. I'm going to create one text box more. Where's that text box? Same, this one. And here I'm going to delete this text, right here, enter registration number, enter registration. Okay, and same, we're going to create a button here, one more button I need, and that search by registration. Cancel, delete that, by registration, search by registration. Done. Here, increase its size so that it's more visible. Right now you're going to enter registration number here, and that employee is going to be shown by clicking this button. Okay, and I'm going to do close form again. If you need something like that, copy of that and control V, paste here. Here, this one copied and paste. Right now next one, we are going to write code, same code, but just one field will be changed. But this text box, what is the name of this text box? How you want to check? Double click on that, or here double click on this one, automatically it will show by name of what? Text 5. I'm going to write txt reg, registration. Okay, txt registration. Here, close that. Right now inside that I'm going to write coding, build even, same coding which we have created on the first one. And let me copy ko irakam, control C, copy, control V, paste. Yak taghir mesha chi field name kudam jayanami, yak field name taghir mesha, yak kudam text box. Here, what was the field name in the table? You can check it out. Field name in a table, Bajaj registration number. I'm going to go over there, open the table, open. Chess registration. Okay, same. The field name is registration number. Control W here, and go to the VB code. This one right now. Field name will be registration. registration. Registration is equal to this thing. Same, and txt reg, because this was the text name over there. Right now verify it's working or not, nothing more is there. Close that and check it out. Okay, F5, and student registration number I need 7011015. Okay, 7011015. Control W, F5. Here, if you want to do by registration number, just here 7011015 debug type mismatch criteria. Here I'm going to check that form is employees, yeah, and SE criteria is okay. Right now it's a string 7011015 registration registration is equal to SE is equal to registration. The problem here, that data type problem is there. If I'm going to enter 7011015 here, data type problem is there. So this we have used integer, long. For that we're going to use variant. In next class I'm going to discuss that which data type we are going to use for that. Right now come to the how we're going to create a full fetch form. So how we're going to do that? But here with employee name it can be easily search out. With employee name it can be easily search out. Right now come to the create one table by design, and I'm going to put some fields inside it. Okay, design table. Here, first of all, I'm going to enter student or employee e underscore id, e underscore id. It will be auto number. Next one, name, and okay, it will be a text. Next one here is after name we're going to use phone. Data type will be, if you're going to use number, well and good. Email address, and it will be what? Hyperlink. Hyperlink data type. Hyperlink. Next one field is date of birth. So DOB means date of birth. Okay, and it will be date and time. Date and time. Next one, date of joining. DOJ, date of joining. It will be also date and time. And address, and which data type I'm going to use for that? Memo. Okay, I'm going to use memo for that. Next one is nationality. Nationality, it will be a text. Yes. Department. Here, right now for department I'm going to use lookup wizard. Okay, right now leave it text here, but we are going to change that. For that I'm going to create one more table here. After that, basic salary, basic underscore. Okay, use underscore so that in the coding we are going to use basic salary, and it will be a number. It will be a number, but if you're going to do in a dollar, you can select a currency. You can select a currency. Next one here is after basic salary, overtime, and it will be also a number. Right now, done. And last one I'm going to use picture. Okay, so picture, and it will be data type will be attachment 2007 data type. Done. Save this table. Some important things which you are going to do that in date and time. I don't want to save a time, so I'm going to use date slash mm dd slash mm slash yyyy4, date, month, year. For date of joining, again I'm going to enter date slash month slash yyyy4y, and I need 4m also. 4m, write it 4m. Okay, so that we're going to arrange it 4m. Done. In email address, okay. Nationality, in nationality default value will be Afghanistan or not? Afghani. Nationality will be Afghani. Write AFGHANI, Afghani. Okay, Afghani. Furthermore, basic salary, email address, phone number. For phone number you can design same thing or like this. Here, save this table. Control W, by name of what? EMP. By name of EMP. I'm going to save by name of EMP, not employees, because one employee table we have. EMP. Done. You may already we have. You want to replace it? No. I'm going to give another name. EMP LOYES employees 1. By name of employees 1 table I'm going to create. Okay, done. Primary key, EID will be primary key. Yes, EID automatically got a primary key. Control W. Right now check it out in this table. Employee 1 table we got or not? So all the fields which are necessary we have created over there. Attachment of these things. Right now, in a table we are not going to do entry. In a forms we are going to do entry. So I'm going to create a full fetch form for that. How? Go over to the create and form by design. Simple. Okay, form by design. Empty form is there. Right now, tables are showing that from which table you want to take a data. Table is showing? No. But if you want to show a table, that from which table I want to take a data. So here, add existing field. Click on that. Right now, these all tables are showing or not? I'm going to do which table? Employee 1. Okay. Sometimes you want to take a data from a query. So how you going to take a data from a query? So it can be done from here. Source. What are you going to change? Here, properties. Right now, queries are not showing. Look over here. If I have created a lot of queries, but query will not show. Inside that, all these are table, edit table. All these are table, but sometimes we want to take a data from a query. So what we're going to do, clicking over here, but first of all I'm going to attach the field which is a department with another table. Okay, which table? Department. Look over here, inside that BBA, BCS, so these departments are there or not? Okay, what I'm going to do, or DEP lookup wizard, I want to create a lookup wizard. Control W, or another one, Control W. Just create one more table by design and write the departments, DEP. Okay, just departments, and Control W, save changes, text, yes, and it will be DEP, ARTMENTS, departments. S I have written. Okay, remember the name, departments. Right now, primary key, no primary key. I'm going to enter departments here. First one is DIT, Dell, Cell, TOEFL. Here, BBA, BCS, and LLB, DBA. Bas, it's enough. Control W, save changes. Right now I'm going to connect this department table with employees table or not? Employee 1. So go to the employees 1 table, design view, and here department is there or not? Clicking over here, go to the lookup wizard, and which table is going to be lookup? That was a departments. Click on next one, and or I need this, add this column. Next one, I want that this will be sending, DP will be sending, yes, it's sending. Okay, right now click on next, it will show like that. TOEFL, okay, it's descending right now. Click on that, ascending. Right now it will be in ascending sequence, yes, okay. Click on next and department, finish that. Save a relationship has been saved also. Next one, I'm going to create a full fetch form. I've told you that we are working with a form. Control W here, and add existing field. Go over to that, add existing field. What was the table? Employees 1, and I'm going to drag and drop one by one field. Drag and drop one by one field. First of all, EID, for the name. Third one, phone. Fourth one, email address. Fifth one, date of birth, date of joining. Next one, address. So you can see that because this is a memo, so big text box is showing or not. Next one is nationality, so I'm going to put it down also, nationality here. And then department, a combo box is showing or not right now. Here, basic salary, increase this one, and overtime, and last one is a picture, but I'm not going to insert a picture here. Okay, right now close this one picture remaining. I'm going to do that, just wait. This one also decrease. I want that full form will show. Design this. Okay, done. Here, slightly move it over here. Yeah, one thing, decrease the size of that, it's quite big. Enough. Email address, okay, slightly decrease it. Right now I need a picture will show here. So what, again, design and add existing field. Last one is a picture, drag and drop over here. So you can see that this one, you can stretch it from here and increase the size of this picture box. Okay, here we are going to create a buttons or these things for this form, and at the top I'm going to write some text that, okay, close these field with one another, close them. How are we going to close them? Oh, and I don't want to select this one. Because I want the other is going to be selected here. These are selected, arrange, and I need that they become closer. You have seen that they get closer, furthermore more closer. Okay, done. Here I got extra space for buttons which I'm going to create right now, and these, they should be slightly closer, not Control Z. I'm going to do one by one. Here, this done. Right now, next one is what I'm going to do. At the top I need some text. At the top I need some text, so drag it slightly down, and what I'm going to write here, go over to the design, and I need a label, employees data entry entry form, and increase the size of that. Go over to the home, size will be 20, bold also, and underline also. Then slightly decrease it. Okay. Right, now done. Next one, I'm going to create buttons just like next previous. While I'm going to F5 run that, look over here, no record is there, record is not there inside the table. Okay, so therefore it is empty showing or not. So if I'm going to enter record new one, okay, so here Masood, here phone number 7888000123, here email address masoodkhan@yahoo.com, sorry, and date of birth you can select it from here. I'm going to select, let's suppose, or I'm going to write by myself, 15 first of all month 4/12/1991. so you can see that April is showing or not, because we have formatted that. Date of job, he have taken a job, let's suppose previous month, in August, not in July, 16 July he got the job. Right now address Parwan, Kabul, okay, Afghanistan. Done. Address is also entered. Next one, nationality Afghani, which is by default he have been in a DIT. Right now basic salary is basic in Afghani I'm going to enter. Okay, he got a salary of 12 or 35,000. Let's suppose overtime he is going to do for 5,000 overtime. Total is going to be calculated now. I'm going to create a for total. So right now go over to design view and save this record. Okay, picture is there. If you're going to say attachment, so click on that. Attachment will show, add, and go over to the attachments. I'm going to go to the wallpapers, and wallpapers, pick, and pictures, nature. Okay, attachment has been done. Okay, so it's a form, full fetch form showing. We are going to create some buttons, next record, previous record. Right now these are using one record enter. I'm going to do with another one here. Done. Close that. This record has been entered. Save changes, yes, form 1 by name of employees data entry entry form. Okay, employees data entry form, done. Right now next one, I'm going to create a buttons with these employees data entry form. This one here, button. So how I'm going to do that, go to the design view, and here create buttons, go over to the, close that, yeah, design and button. What type of button you want to create here, just draw a button here. Form operation, okay, close. Record operation, record navigation, go to the first record. Yeah. This icon will show, I think so it is good. Yeah. Next one, command button 16. This will be CMD first, and finish that. Done. Another one button I'm going to create, go over create, design, and one more button, CMD. Here record operation, CMD next, no sorry, previous, and it will be like that, CMD PREVIOUS, CMD previous. Finish that. Done. Another one button you're going to create, go over to the design and create a button, CMD next, record operation, next record, and same CMD next. Click on finish and last one CMD last record, and button I'm going to create, okay, and CMD last record. Click on next, and yes, okay, CMD last. Finish that, done. So right now 4 buttons created. Arrangement, alignment, I've told you how we're going to do that. Select them, go to the arrange, and I'm going to arrange to the top. It's done. Click. Button size also same. Next one, here delete a record, add a new record. These buttons can also be created. How? Same. Just go over to the design and add a button here. I'm going to write add new. Okay, record operation and add new record. Add new record. Click on next. It is going to be shown. I need a text. Okay, add new record. Add new record. Click on next and CMD add. Okay, finish that, done. Another one button if you're going to create, I'm going to increase the size and CMD new record or add new record. Another one button, go to the design, add new, delete record, record operation, and I'm going to use here delete record or save. Furthermore we need a save button. Click on next and save record and CMD save. Click on finish that, and this button is going to be created for save. Third one, we are going to create CMD delete record. Okay, so go design and a button I'm going to create here, record operation and delete record. Click on next one and delete record. It will be quite better. Click on next and CMD delete. Finish that, created. Okay, increase the size of that so that the data will be more clear to you in 2 lines. And the size, I need that these 3 buttons of same size. First of all, alignment, align to the top. First of all, align to the top, done. Next one, I want to create of same size. So how are we going to create of same size? Here, this one, of same size. If you're going to see, so they become of same size or not. These add, save, delete. One more, I'm going to create a print. That record is going to be print. How? Go to the design and here add a button, and I'm going to create a button here. Okay, and this will be record operation print record. So these are built-in events. What are you going to do? CMD print. Just create a button and do these things. If you're going to change that the print, instead of that print record, you need an icon, also possible. Okay, so this is created. This full fetch form has been created. F5. If you're going to check it out, double click on that. Here, full fetch form is there or not? Add, save, delete, print a record. Right now, you're going to add a new record. Click on that. Okay, here, Kamran. Here, phone number 46456. Here, email. Here, kamran2@yahoo.com. Date of birth 17 or first. Okay, I'm going to enter 17/12/1994. Okay, so right now if you're going to see, this is quite big showing because of, so I'm going to increase the size of these 2 text boxes. Okay, so how I'm going to do that? Okay, not right now, but after this entering this record, I'm going to do that. Next one, date of joining. Here, 4/March April 3. I'm going to do 3 and 2011. So April is showing. Address Kabul. I'm going to write fastly. Afghani department DIT. Okay, and basic salary 20,000. Okay, I need that Afghani will come automatically with that. Also, I'm going to do that. Overtime is 0, and next one, picture. So clicking on this picture, attach a picture, add, and more than 1 picture you can also attach. More than 1 pictures you can also attach here. Okay, done. Right now, next one, I need here, what I'm going to need here, total salary. Total salary will show. So what I'm going to do, close this one, save changes, yes, done, and go to the form navigation data entry form, design view. Here I need a text box. I need a text box design. One text box. This one is a text box, yes. And this will be total salary. Just change this. Total salary. What the code you're going to write? Basic salary plus overtime. Okay, is equal to basic salary underscore is there. Okay, salary plus overtime. Nothing more. Enter. Check it out. It's working or not. F5. Okay, is data type error is there. Basic salary plus overtime. Maybe I have used and design view. Basic underscore salary. Data type for these two is text. Increase its size. Check it out. Oh, spelling of overtime is wrong. OVER overtime. OVER overtime. Yes, done. Check it out. F5 right now. Total salary showing or not? 35,000 plus 5,000, so it's equal to 40,000 or not? Right now, decrease the text box. And if you need Afghani currency, if you need Afghani will show. So how are we going to do that? Okay. Plus or here you're going to use and sign. What are you going to use? And sign. Here and sign and inverted commas AFG. Plus into that with basic salary and sign inverted commas AFG inverted commas. Enter that. But in a table it's not going to save. Okay, just for showing, I'm going to check that it's working or not. And sign AFG. But if you have entered a number, data type is a number, so it is not going to save that. It's not going to save that. I'm going to just verify. F5. Problem is there or not? Why? Because data type is what? Number. If it is a text, then it can show that. But what we're going to do, go to the design. From these two, we're going to delete this thing. From these two. Because while you're going to enter, so no need of this thing. Enter. Go over there. Also this thing. F2. Right now, check it out. It's working or not. F5. Here, with the down, we have not done this thing. With down. Design view. And overtime F5. Yes, working or not right now. If you need a space here, also possible. Go over there, design view, and of this text box overtime plus, okay, here F5 F2, sorry, for editing. We give a space here. Okay, so it is going to be shown Afghani over there. Right now, enter that. What the code I have written, I have shown you. Okay, what the code I have written. Basic salary plus overtime plus Afghani currency. Okay, plus Afghani. F5. Right now, the size of this text box is bigger, so decrease the size of that. F5. You can see that working or not. And the record operation is also working. Next record. Previous record. Okay, here this text box is small. I want to increase the size of that. Yes, go to the design view of that, and date of birth and date of joining. These two should be bigger, so that full date will show inside it. F5. Check it out right now. First April, second one December is also coming. Clear? So this is the full fetch form which has been created. Next one, we are going to create a login form. Today we are going to do that, or next class we are going to do that. Okay, so before doing this, I am going to stop the recording and then we will discuss that.